Hello and welcome to Chapter 11, Lesson 3. Today we're going to be talking about estimate and measuring mass. So first let's talk about, I know we did talk about during our vocabulary, but what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter or material in an object. Okay, one metric unit of mass is the kilogram, right? Like when we talk about weight, oftentimes we do pounds and ounces, right? And so in the metric system, which is used by most of the world, we use kilograms or grams as kind of the base unit, okay? So 1 kilogram is equal to about 400 pennies. Now that's not a whole lot, right? It could also be about 1 wooden baseball bat. Another thing that would be about a kilogram is like a dictionary. We don't use dictionaries too often. So what I would say is it would be similar to like those red hardcover math books that maybe you've seen us use in the design lab. I would guess maybe about like your math book. That's probably a little lighter than a kilogram, but somewhere in there. So that is what a kilogram is, okay? Now this right here, we do not actually get to do it. Last time I skipped it completely, so I just wanted to show you. You could, maybe you have a change jar at home. Count out 400 pennies. That'd be great counting practice for you, right? Or if your parents have a wooden baseball bat. I don't know many people that have wooden baseball bats, but maybe your parents do. Okay, so give that a shot. See if you can find something around your house that weighs about 1 kilogram. And that will give you a better idea of what we're talking about here. So a smaller unit of mass is the gram. A gram is about the weight of a paperclip. So you can see that is pretty light. Takes 1,000 paper clips or 1,000 grams to equal 1 kilogram. A base 10 cube, we use those at school some. So it's very light. So if you could find a paper clip and hold that, and then try to find or hold your math book. Okay, hold a paper clip and a math book. And you can see the major weight difference or mass difference between the two, the space that it takes up. Okay, so if you have time, you can go through some of these challenges. So let's get to the math. All right, so here it says, circle the better unit to measure each mass. So if we're talking about a bowling ball, that's relatively heavy. So I would need to use a kilogram in order to weigh that. If I'm looking at a zebra, definitely a kilogram. Now, a cell phone, that's lighter. If I was thinking, does it weigh as much as a book? I'd say no, it probably doesn't. It's pretty light. So I would use grams for that one. A laptop computer weighs maybe about as much. I don't know. You can get light ones, but I'd go with kilogram for that one. Pair of socks. Now, it's pretty light, so I'd do a gram. Marble, 100% a gram. Okay, circle the better estimate for each mass. Okay, so would 4 crackers be the same amount of mass as 4 of your math books or 4 paper clips? Probably closer to 4 paper clips, right? Same with a key, that's pretty light. So that would also be about 2 grams, right? All right, let's move on. Circle the better estimate for each mass. Now here we have a wheelbarrow. So definitely going to weigh more than 20 paper clips, right? And then our book bag that looks to be filled with books. Definitely kilograms. Fun fact. My daughter, when she was born, weighed 700 grams. Can you imagine that? Less than your math book is how much she weighed. Just crazy, isn't it? Anyways, sorry, off topic. Let's keep moving. Dylan is making a casserole that serves 4 people. The recipe calls for shredded cheese. Would it be more reasonable for Dylan to measure the mass of the cheese in grams or kilograms? Shredded cheese, pretty light, right? So I'm going to say grams because cheese is very light and doesn't take up much space or have much material to it. Because that's kind of what the definition at the beginning was. Have the amount of material to an object. Okay. Paulette needs help moving her file cabinet. Is 40 grams or 40 kilograms a more reasonable estimate for the file cabinet's mass? 40 kilograms because, so if you don't know what a file cabinet is, it's what I pull like the tests out of. It's what the pencil sharpener is on that has the 2 drawers underneath it. Those are filing cabinets and they are heavy. Like the custodians don't let the teachers move them because they're so heavy. Because file cabinets are very heavy. Okay. Vocabulary check. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. The amount of matter an object has is its mass. Okay, and matter is just something, what something is made of. Okay, like how dense something is its matter. Baseball bat has a mass of about, so that was the bigger one, 1 kilogram. And then the penny has a mass of about 1 gram. Okay, pennies are very light. That's another good one. Pennies. So if you can't find a paper clip, try to find a penny. Now, here's what doesn't make any sense to me. They're saying 1 kilogram equals 400 pennies. Follow me here. I don't think that this is true, this part. And that 1 gram equals 1 penny. Therefore, if using the book's logic, it would take 400 grams would equal 1 kilogram, which is incorrect. I think they need to change this out and say 1,000 pennies because that's the rate. 1,000 grams fits into 1 kilogram. Do you see what I'm saying here? Like, let's cross out that 400 business and call it 1,000 pennies because that's what it's got to be in order for 1 penny to be 1 gram. All right, now I'm off my soapbox. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this whole 400 pennies versus 1,000 pennies versus 1 penny. Just doesn't make sense. Anyways, I will see you later. Bye.